Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to use VPN on Brave browser. In order to do this, you first have to launch your Brave browser and then you are going to see this jigsaw puzzle in the top. So you will have to click on it. Then you will have to click on Manage Extensions. Over here you are going to see all of the extensions that you have previously added in your Brave browser. Now over here you need to add a VPN. For that you will have to click on Web Store and then you will be redirected on the Chrome Web Store. But with the help of Chrome Web Store you can even add extensions on Brave browser. So here in the top you will have to search for any VPN and then you will have to press enter. After that you are going to see a bunch of different VPNs that you can add on your Brave browser. So you just have to select the one that best suits you. For this video I'm going to select it as ZenMate because it is free VPN. So you will have to click on it and then you are going to see the option of add to Brave. So you will have to click on add to Brave and then click on add extension. This way the ZenMate VPN will be start downloading in your Brave browser. Now if you already don't know, then let me tell you that in Brave browser you can get VPN by default. As you can see over here that in the top right hand corner you are going to see the VPN option. So if you click on this VPN, then it will ask you that you can use the Brave firewall plus VPN, but for that you will have to start the free trial. So you will have to click on start free trial option and then you will be redirect on your Brave account, where you will have to subscribe for Brave Premium, and this way you are going to get their Brave VPN in Brave browser. You can even get their 7-day free trial if you want to, but after that you will have to pay $9.99 per month in order to keep using the Brave VPN. But alternatively, you can use ZenMate VPN on Brave browser. So if the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.